Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make watermelon, strawberry with a hint of ginger and a bit of lemon juice. And I'm about to start. I'm going to simply remove the skin from my melon. Cut my melon in small pieces. I've already washed my strawberry, so I'm just going to put it straight into my blender. I'm going to put my melon straight into my blender. I'm not going to put all of the melon in my blender. I'm going to save a couple pieces of melon. And I'm going to put my ginger straight into my blender. I'm just going to give my lemon a rinse. Lemon 2 halves. And I'm going to squeeze half of my lemon juice into my blender. Oh. Wow. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey into my blender. That's quite enough because the lemon and the strawberry is already sweet, so that is quite okay. I'm going to add enough water to cover my fruits. Well, that is enough. And I'm just going to cover blender. And I'm going to switch my blender on and then start blending. You don't have to blend it for long because the fruits are not hard to blend, so it's all looking good and it's ready for straining. And I'm gonna get my bowl, rinse. Wow, oh my God, look at that. Wow, that is looking really rich and nice. Wow, oh my God, that is looking so healthy. This is what we want. Natural, healthy juice. We don't want no runny juice like we're drinking water. We want something that is really thick and looking very healthy. Strawberry and lemon with ginger, a bit of lemon juice, a tablespoon of honey, all combined together, and it is looking really, really good. I'm just gonna strain my juice one more time just to make sure my juice is properly strained, so that when you're drinking my juice you can enjoy it. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. That is good to go. I'm just gonna pour some over ice. Wow, that is looking really, really good, really good. So I'm just gonna eat one of my strawberry. Very nice. I'm gonna have a taste and then I'll tell you exactly what I think of this natural healthy juice. This juice is so beautiful. The taste, the texture, everything. Wow, absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. If you like my juice, please put a thumbs up, like and share, and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy your juice, and I'm out. Bye. Love you all.